Can technology help save what human memory is forgetting? In the hills of Vietnam, threads carry memory. Each stitch, each dye, each woven pattern tells a story passed down through generations. This rich heritage is under threat. Dyes are disappearing, villages are emptying, and global fashion often takes without giving back.
But a new wave of innovation could turn the tide.
From 3D scanning to digital storytelling, technology is finding its way into the heart of village workshops. It's not fiction anymore. This is where the future begins. Welcome to Vietnam 2050, the vision ahead.
Efforts to preserve traditional crafts are still fragmented and underfunded, with limited access to digital tools and platforms that could aid preservation, storytelling, and market access.
Government programs such as OCOP, One Commune, One Product and Museum initiatives have laid a foundation. But the key action moving forward is to empower communities to be not only subjects of research, but co-researchers, co-authors, and co-owners of the processes and platforms that shape their future.
In the next 25 years, craft practices will not only survive, but they will also evolve thanks to digital tools and cultural recognition. We'll see a move from top-down preservation to community-led innovation.
Innovation doesn't erase tradition, it deepens it. Technologies like 3D scanning, AR or VR, and AI-assisted design can help preserve patterns, teach skills, and share stories across generations and borders.
Artisans will become both guardians of tradition and co-creators of sustainable futures. Storytelling, long seen as a passive tool, will emerge as a powerful research and design method.
Building this future requires collaboration across all levels, with governments creating national frameworks to digitally document heritage and technology tools, like storytelling apps and blockchain verification systems, to give artisans more control and visibility.
We need clear rules around data sovereignty and benefit sharing. Support shouldn't be transactional. It needs to be long-term, transparent, and driven by community goals. Seeing young artisans and designers working together to reimagine tradition, not as something fixed, but as something alive, evolving, and beautiful, is what excites me the most. Innovation doesn't mean erasing the past. It means listening deeply, building trust, and creating with care.
As Vietnam moves toward 2050, its greatest strength may lie not only in smart factories or AI labs, but in its ability to blend ancient wisdom with new tools, ensuring tradition thrives in a digital world.
Vietnam 2050, the vision ahead.